Yeah, this is the Monks skate park. Copinged box, which I'm going to mainly be using today. But yeah, just putting skates on. Yeah, I'm happy with the actual fit of them. Now I've added the leather sections on the top. It's just, yeah, really comfortable. Using a razor cuff. I have designed a cuff for these skates, but I'm still experimenting and I like the flex in the razor cuff, so just going to use it for now. But it fits USD ones. I've tried a few, to be fair. Do the liner laces off first. Just get a nice snug fit around that. I'll lace them all the way to the top. I just like that close feel. And then yeah, just pulling the laces up tight. It's a Cocoa Velcro strap leather at the top. A little bit lighter weight than the normal buckle, and it doesn't break as much. I always seem to break those metal buckles. Yeah, just lacing the second boot up, but I feel comfortable. I like them. It's nice skating something you've made yourself as well. I mean, these it took me about 4 or 5 days from start to finish. 20 hours printing each boot, about 6 hours for the sole plates, cutting the leather, hand drilling the holes, stitching it all up. It takes a long time, a lot of labour as well. And then I CNC machined a POM slider for the bottom as well. So yeah, there's a lot of hours work put into these. So it's really nice when you put them on, they just feel comfortable, feel nice. My frame bolt was just getting loose, so it ended a little bit earlier than I wanted, but muscles kind of hurting from the other day, so it's probably for the better, to be honest. much did what I wanted to do, practice on like top soles, top acids. Well, I don't know if I got a really clean top acid, to be honest. I'm still just getting used to them, but the skates feel great. And it's just nice to skate on something that you designed and like printed, hand stitched, handmade, machined sole plates or sole sliders. Right, I had to cut that session a little bit short. One of my frame bolts come loose. Sod's law. I didn't bring any Allen keys. Took them out of my bag, put in another one. So yeah, I thought better not risk it. I don't want to break anything. But yeah, it's a good little session. I've got a couple of things. Just trying to practice on my top soles. Not that great, so got one or two landed. A couple top acids. But yeah, heading home. Skates held out, other than the frame bolt coming a bit loose. My frame's a bit wobbly, but I'm going to check it when I get back, just make sure it is just a frame bolt. Nothing's broken on the boot. It's a TPU printed, like main boot section. But yeah, I think all good. Gonna head home. That's funny. Just about to drive off and it started raining. So lucky I broke a frame bolt. I would have had to stop anyway. But yeah, it's now raining, so good I got out when I did. Got a little half an hour skating. Oh. Right, let's check this out. So yeah, pretty sure it's just a loose frame bolt. Let's have a look, see if it's tight. Ah yeah. Yeah, here we go. Sod's law, didn't bring a bloody Allen key with me, but the skate's fine. Just check on the inside. Yeah, absolutely fine. Boot's holding up nicely actually. It's got a soft leather upper, and then the leather support on the inside just gives, as I say, it's like stiff, but then kind of pushes, when you push it, it's got that kind of flex to it. I'm using a Razor heel lift just because it fits in nicely, gives a nice amount of cushioning, feels nice and comfortable. Yeah, probably need to add a bit more Loctite onto that bloody bolt. Yeah, the bolt's a bit, it's an old bolt, so you can see the Allen key slips in a little bit on it, but it's fine. Need to replace it. That's probably why that one came loose, to be honest, because it kept slipping a bit on the hex. Oh yeah, can all do a bit of a tighten up. Done. And yeah, these are the boots after the skate. And yeah, thanks for watching.